Frank, I am just suffered a power outage of electricity. What should I do now for power of electricity? Oh, it's very easy. I am going to guide you about the all things for the power of electricity. First of all, you need to check and see your other neighbors if they are affected by power outage of electricity or not. Okay, just wait for a minute. I check. No, it seems that the power outage of electricity is only affecting our home, not others. Okay, then you need to take the flashlight and go down to the basement and check the fuse box of electricity. But where is the flashlight? It's on the top of the coat rack. Oh, yeah, I remember. I have seen it there before. Okay, I'm going to the basement now. The fuse box of the electricity is to be left of the stairs. Can you see it? Yes, I have found it. Now open the door of fuse box of the electricity and look inside to find any breakers that have turned off. When you find those breakers inside the fuse box of electricity that have turned off, after that you turned on these breakers. Yes, I can see one breaker that is turned off. Perfect. You must reset the breaker. Simply turn it back to the on position. I turned it on position and it worked. The lights are back on. Thanks for your kindness.